Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a cool little discontinued Swiss Army knife, and this one is made by Victorinox, and this is the Victorinox Manicure. And I gotta tell you, as older Swiss Army knives go, this one was one that kind of surprised me a little bit. I was not expecting some of the options, and one of the big options on it. So let's take a look at it. So this is a 58mm Swiss Army knife. It's one of the smaller ones. It's similar in size to the classic. And what makes this the Manicure is, first of all, it's one of the bladeless models. It doesn't have a knife blade. It's got a nail file. The nail file, like so. It's got, they call this like a cuticle pusher or something. And one little interesting bit of trivia is, since there's not a knife blade, the Victorinox logo is on this one, like the Victorinox stamp. And on the back, you have scissors. So this is a bladeless knife, but it gets a little, oops, it attacked me. It gets a little weirder than that, because you have tweezers, which you kind of expect, but this one has a pin, and it has one of the small little removable pins like you saw with the early signature ones before they went to the pins that pop out the side, like this one. Before they went to the pins where you had the small lever that caused them to come out at the bottom of the scale, they did them like this. And I wasn't really expecting this with the Manicure, which is kind of neat. So it's kind of an odd little knife, and it's one of the few bladeless ones that's floating around. But there are a couple, and there's a few in production now that are still available. Not Manicure, I don't think. And the cuticle pusher tool, I'm trying to think. I think that's on the Mini Champ, maybe? I'll have to look and see. I'll include a link in the description for the Swiss Army wiki page for this, and I'll also include a link to the signature, which is probably about as close as you can get, but the signature has a blade on it. I don't know. Kind of a cool little knife, though. What do y'all think? What do you think about this? Do you like the little removable pin better than the newer version? Do you think bladeless Swiss Army knives are kind of pointless? I don't know. I'm not sure either. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have any suggestions or anything you think I should take a look at, you can also let me know down there. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.